Protect your iPhone with these 3 quick changes. First, hide notification previews on the lock screen. For this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down just a bit, and tap on Notifications. Here, select Show Previews. If it's set to Always, change it to When Unlocked or Never for maximum privacy. Exit Settings. Now, when you get a text message or email containing sensitive information, no one can read it until Face ID or your passcode unlocks the phone. Second, turn off significant locations. Open the Settings app. Scroll all the way down, and tap on Privacy and Security. Now, select Location Services. Scroll to the bottom, and tap on System Services. Here, look for significant locations and routes and tap on it. Authenticate with Face ID or passcode. Now, turn significant locations off. And confirm the same from the pop-up as well. Then, tap on Clear History and confirm the action. Disabling this feature prevents your iPhone from keeping the travel history. Third, disable iPhone analytics sharing. Go to Settings on your iPhone and tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll all the way down. Here, select Analytics and Improvements. Now, disable all the features that you don't want to share with Apple, such as iCloud Analytics, Safety, Siri and Dictation, assistive voice features, etc. And finally, turn off Share iPhone Analytics. Turning these options off keeps your usage data on your own device.